What's up guys, I am invited on this beautiful event by RAYHAAN Perfumes for the launch of their new fragrances, and I'm very excited about this. And we have a lot of reviewers here, actually tons of reviewers. We have reviewers from each region of the world almost. So this event is going to be amazing, and let me show you the event and the venue, and then we will talk about the fragrances. Here is my young friend from Sri Lanka. Yes, and a great guy and very humble and very nice. Do follow his Facebook
Subscribe
ID.
him also.
And what's the
Nauran.
ID?
Nauran.
N-A-W-R-A-N.
N. Yes.
Nauran.
Nauran.
Okay, do follow him. Great guy.
Sure. Thank you.
So guys, let me show you the first fragrance here, and the first one we got here is Lime from RAYHAAN. As you can see the bottle, it's beautiful and stunning. So let's talk about the fragrance. So fragrance wise, if you love Jean Paul Gaultier's Ultra Male, you will forget Ultra Male after sniffing this one, because this is much more airy, much more fresh. It's not that thick and jammy, and you're going to love it. So if you are a youngster looking for something more airy, more fresh and more youthful, you can try RAYHAAN's Lime. If you're looking something with the same DNA but with a better twist, you can try Lime from RAYHAAN. Super amazing scent, very long lasting, very nice. It's like a fresh breeze of air if you are a ultra male DNA lover. So now let's jump to the next fragrance. So let me show you the second launch of the day, and here we got Tiger from RAYHAAN. And if you like Penhaligon's Helvetii, you are going to love it, because this one is so solid. If you like cypress, leather, saffron, that dense and amazing deep kind of scent, you are definitely going to love it. The response for this perfume among my friends and reviewers is outclass. They loved it from the first sniff. So if you like Penhaligon's Helvetii, forget about it, because you are going to get something much better in way less price. Do check out Tiger from RAYHAAN. So let me show you one of the greatest YouTube fragrance reviewer from India, our Tariq Bhai. Tariq Bhai, how
Hello
are you?
everyone.
Okay, and please tell your channel's name there.
Yeah, my channel's name is Tariq Fragrance. I do reviews in Hindi only.
Yeah, so all those people who want to have reviews in Hindi, you can go to his channel, and then definitely my channel, because I do in both languages. But for this particular event, I'm just talking in English, but Tariq Bhai is doing it in Hindi. So if you want to enjoy this event in Hindi language,
Hindi or
you can
Urdu.
always follow him. Fragrance.
Tariq Fragrance.
Tariq Fragrance on YouTube. I'm going to put the links in the description box. So do visit him out and do subscribe.
Thank you. Shaji.
So now guys, we are back once again with the legendary Jamil Bhai from Fragrance Jam.
Hello.
Bhai, how's your new Instagram handle is going on?
So yeah, so far so good. It is going
far,
good,
so
and we need to work hard in order to reach where we were.
Inshallah, you will get back all of your followers. So guys, as I have told you earlier, that we have all kind and type of reviewers here. I told you we have rich and famous reviewers. We have reviewers from each and every region of the world. And we have old reviewers like me, we have young reviewers, we have kids, we have like brave people who sat with the Tiger and Lime. Sorry, it was the Lime. So Mr. Jamil is one of them, and now we will try to know what's his take on these fragrances. So let's talk about the Lime first. Jamil bhai, what do you think about the Lime? First of all, for me, this is a very nice, a fresh version of Ultra Male. So if you are bored of that thick and jammy sweet rose with that bubblegummy type of Ultra Male, and you're still looking for something for parties, so then you can try Lime. It's more airy, more fresh, little bit powdery. And now I'm giving it to Jamil Bhai, and we'll see what he thinks about it. Jamil Bhai, what do you think about this?
So, you know, when I first sniffed this one, I thought this is a beast mode stuff.
Yeah, it's long lasting.
Yeah, it is long lasting, and I think this is going to perform in a way that people may even get whiffs of this perfume after like 2 or 3 days if they're applying this perfume in an extremely decent manner. Not talking about just 2 sprays here and there. So talking about the scent profile of this one, Lion I feel is a fresh, is a little bit sweet and an elegant kind of scent profile. Because the other one that we're going to talk about is a little bit subjective, you can say, in a good manner. But then this is something that you can wear in the office easily, and people are going to turn their heads in order to know what perfume this guy is wearing. So
But the best scenario will be like dates, partying. If you
Correct.
are young, full of energy, and you want something sexy and sweet,
this is
yeah,
good.
you can go with it. If you are young, and now if you are like a little bit old like me, this is the real stuff. This is Tiger, and this is going to remind you Penhaligon's LCT.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you are someone like me who loves leather, deep and woody type of fragrances with some saffron, yeah, like if you like fragrances that have layers in them, so then you are definitely going to love it. So this one, you can say you can keep it for winters, and this is the perfume which you can also rock in like summers. So if you are very young, energetic, going in college, universities, office working guy, you can rock this one. If you are someone like me, the real
Tiger.
beep it, then this is going to suit you. So this is my take on it. I love the depth of this perfume, the quality, blending, everything is amazing here. The lasting is amazing, even on my skin. This perfume works very well. And now it's all over to you, Jamil bhai. What do you think about Tiger? For me, this is pure love.
So again, if you ask me, I mean both the perfumes are amazing in terms of everything, in terms of presentation, cost maybe.
Yeah,
and,
even the presentation is unique and beautiful, man. See the bottles.
correct.
A huge upgrade from the last bottles they got.
Correct.
And even the cap is magnetic this time.
So if we talk about Tiger, I'll say this is one of my favorite of these two perfumes. Now, Tiger is a little bit spicy. It is dry. It is airy and something.
You get
if
that
you are
cypress, green cypress kind of effect here, balsamic,
Correct.
and it's a bit resinous. It's more woody, but it's more deep actually.
It is deep. It is
Yes.
deep, and this is something that you wear.
If you're a big boss like me,
Correct, absolutely.
Yeah.
And this is something you wear in the night time. So I don't think I'll wear this one in broad daylight. I'll wear this one maybe if I'm going at a party in the night time.
if it's nighttime, it's cold, it's chilly out, and you really want to scare some people.
In a
okay.
good way. of
In a good
course,
way,
because
yeah.
this is something that
Definitely.
shouts dominance. This is a
I
boss
think this is a perfume which gives you that feel of like boost of confidence.
correct.
Like you will feel more rowdy. This is what I feel. More strong,
This is
more
good.
manly.
And just look at the sprayer here.
Yeah, sprayer are nice.
Sprays are good. Yeah, so I mean, this is our take, and this you can say this is just an initial impression. We're gonna do an in-depth review of these perfumes very soon. But then so far so good.
But what I like about these fragrances are the blending and quality. They are so refined and so smooth.
Correct.
So something amazing from the house of RAYHAAN. So if you get a chance, do check these out.
Also, these are magnetic caps, so
Yeah.
I think they've left no stones unturned here.
You guys are going to love it. Do check it out. Do check it out. Lion
Alright.
and Tiger. So this was Jamil Bhai's take on these two beautiful perfumes. And now Jamil Bhai.
So yes, so far so good, and I'm extremely happy, of course, for reviewing these perfumes.
Even
and
the event was amazing.
even the
We have
event was
enjoyed
amazing, and meeting people
Tons
like
and
him
tons of viewers.
after so many years, that was also an amazing experience. And now we'll be going to the beauty world, and we're gonna make some amazing content in the
Yeah.
beauty world as well.
Catch us there.
So catch us there.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. So guys, finally the event is over, and now I would like to take this opportunity to introduce you to the man behind all this, the man, the myth, the mystery behind all this event. And it was such a lovely event, and let me introduce you to the owner of RAYHAAN Perfumes, Khalid Bhai. Khalid Bhai, how are you?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप?
Khalid Bhai, first of all, it was a great event, and
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह,
I'm
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
very sure that it will be a huge success. And event was so unique, it was amazing, people enjoyed it a lot. And what's your thought on it? What do you think? How was it?
No, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you,
bhai.
Shajil bhai,
Always
for
there, bhai,
coming.
for you. Always there for you.
And I'm very happy everyone turned up, and it was a great content. Basically, we tried to do something different. So
Yeah.
I was very worried whether it'll turn out well, but
No,
Alhamdulillah,
it
it turned
was
out very
great.
well.
People loved it. It was so unique concept to bring the live animals. and the fragrances are so amazing. Both of them were great. We got a lot of good reviews for that.
Alhamdulillah.
And for example, let's say for the line, it was amazing. So for the guys who like Ultramol, they will forget about it after using line, because it's a very fresh take on the same DNA, but it's amazing. And for someone like me, I love Tiger because it's more dense and like leather base with some cypress. So it's amazing. So all the best, Khalid bhai, for you.
Thank you, Shahid bhai, for coming
and
again.
Thanks a lot for having us here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
And
much.
it was so nice, a great event.
No, thank you so
So
much.
now we will catch you in beautiful Dubai.
Inshallah.
And once
Please,
again,
please do visit our booth.
We will be there for sure.
Definitely.
So once again, we will catch Khalid bhai there.
Thank you so
and
much.
we will talk a lot more stuff
Thank you so much.
for the brand. Thank you.
Thank you.